Hello! Today I will share with you 7 prompts and show how we can create interesting pictures with Canva AI. So on the home page, let's go to Dream Lab. If you don't see here Dream Lab, you can go to Canva AI and click Images. So I'm going to Dream Lab here. Let's try the first prompt. All prompts you will find in the description. Don't forget, click like and subscribe my channel. So here we see the prompt and we can enter our text. I'm entering never grow up. Next, we can select dimension and let's see what Canva Dream Lab will create. And here you go. Great. Now we can click arrow and our photo will download into our downloads folder. We can click edit and start create in Canva editor page. And download, we can go to share button, choose download and choose file type PNG and click download. Okay, let's come back to our Dream Lab and let's paste the second prompt. And here enter our text. I'm entering right the wave, choose size and click submit. And here you go. Now we can click arrow and download it into our downloads folder. Next prompt is coffee effect. And I'm entering good morning. And here you go. Here I'm working with Canva Pro. If you want to try Canva Pro for free for 30 days, click link in the description. And if you want to cancel, you can go to your settings, billing, and here you can click cancel plan. Okay, let's come back to Dream Lab and next effect is cappuccino. And I'm entering coffee time. Very cute. It's great. Okay, we can download it. And next prompt is about summer. I'm entering summer vibes. And yeah, I love summer. Now let's see neon effect. And I'm entering create the future. That's great. And the last one is Lego effect. And here I'm entering never grow up. Click like. I hope you like this quick tutorial. You can try it and see you next time.